It might be a meal or snacks or coffee, or fun and games, maybe just talking. Jehovah is the one who put it on our table. So could we be able follow the course of hospitality, imitate God above, do it with true impartiality. That's what it means to love. The roof above our heads is from our Heavenly Father. But if we need to share, would it be a bother? Let's feel the joy that only ever comes from giving. That's Christian living. Follow the course of hospitality, imitate God above, do it with true impartiality. That's what it means to love. Some people don't have what we have. It's up to us to share. Disaster strikes.